Wow, g'day guys, just walking around Rockingham shops and I have just found this and we're going to get one, so we're going to get a sun and moon if it works.
And I want to get some sleeves, they're $2.95.
Alright, let's just do this sun and moon first.
Sun and moon.
Please present your card or your mobile phone. Authorizing.
Alright.
All approved, ready? We're coming.
Okay.
You're going to come out from here.
Lord, imagine if it got stuck. Alright, you can hold that for a sec, babe. I'm going to quickly open it. Alright.
Thank you. Successful.
What do I do?
Pull. Read that, it says pull.
Okay. Alright guys, remember like, subscribe. All raw footage, none of this is.
I don't know how many count for that.
I don't know, 3, 4, we'll go 4. Go on fire.
Oh, you got it.
Wow. Okay.
Slow down.
I'll be buying sleeves. Oh! Alright, got to be in it to win it. Remember guys, like, subscribe, we'll see you on tomorrow's video. Bye.